The Anuradha family lived near Paddyfield in a quiet rural village in Sri Lanka. A hard-working farmer, Anuradha worked hard for his daughter, Niminara. Chaturangi graced their humble home with gentle maternal love, laughter and warmth. As the dawn paints the sky coral, Anuradha will lead his cattle to the fields, his soul bound to the earth. The aroma of pechicha flowers blowing from Chaturangi's hair perfumes the whole house, and the aroma of food fills the kitchen as fragrant spices are used in the preparation of breakfast. Daughter Niminara runs curiously and dances across the field, embracing the sunlight. One day, a kind stranger gave Niminara's daughter an old book. Its pages were detailed for each country. Daughter Niminara is interested in those countries. Anuradha and Chaturangi were nurturing their daughter with knowledge, integrating her with the world and giving her a good education. Father, mother and daughter lived happily in a quiet rural village.